Alright, Stairmaster and Squirrel just came into town. They got in this morning, and I think I might go over to their room and we might hit up the outfitter. I need to get some guy line for my tent, and I'm probably going to hit the trail. I do have, well, lunch, snack, more than enough food for at least 4 days right now, packed up. So my pack's pretty heavy, and just packed everything up, rubbed down the knees, stretched this morning in the shower, and getting ready to rock and roll. So it's been a good quick stay, and I'm back off to hit another town about 70 miles, and I'm about a week and a couple days, a week or so, maybe in a couple days away from Damascus, 500 miles. So looking forward to getting back on trail and spending some nights out in the elements. Supposed to be nice today, but we are looking forward to some rain in the next couple of days, and then hopefully get off trail to dry out and get back on again. So trying to spend some more time out on trail and spend less time in town. So we'll not be taking a zero. Did 15 miles yesterday to get here, and I'd like to get at least 8 to 10 in today before sundown. Everything's loaded. Hopefully some new videos coming out soon, and thank you again for following along. So, pack's full of food. Clean clothes, showered, stretched, ready for the day. I gotta hit the outfitter and see if I can get some guy line for my tent. I'm going to go over to Squirrel and Stairmaster's room, see if those guys want to walk to town with me, and we'll get outside. The weather looks nice out. Power plant. So we're in Erwin, Tennessee, established in 1876. Unicoi County. Real wild. In 1879, the state approved a new name of Erwin, but a United States Post Office mix-up gave its lasting name of Erwin. Earlier postal design designations of Grassy Cove and Naka and Longmire identified the area. In 1891, Erwin was incorporated. The board of mayor and aldermen met in 1892. Stop at the outfitter. See if I can get some guy line. Hiker Board 2023, Erwin. Again.
Yes, sir. Happy trail.
Alright. So we got a new water bottle. That one's getting kind of shaky. Got some free stickers, got some guy line, and heading back on trail. So pretty cool outfitter. They associated and affiliated with Uncle Johnny's, so they're part of that too now. So I just called AT Hiker Shuttles Doug. I'm at Veterans Park here. It's only like another don't know, a mile and a half, maybe two, actually it's probably 2 miles to the hostel, but I'm not going to walk that, so I'll pay the $7 and get a ride this time. Save some blisters, save some road walk. This is a pretty cool little area, Veterans Park here in Erwin. United States Navy, Air Force, Army. What do we got over here? Members of the Armed Forces from Unicoi County, Tennessee, who made the ultimate sacrifice in service to our country. World War I, a lot of World War II, Korea, Vietnam, Iraq, and Afghanistan. Since World War I, more than 92,000 American soldiers are unaccounted for. This unoccupied sea is dedicated to the memory of those brave men and women and the sacrifices each made in serving this country. God bless you, and God bless America. You are not forgotten. From the shuttle service dropped me off. I'm gonna head up here. He said it's a nice, easy mile walk for the most part, past the railroad tracks, and then we're going to start heading uphill. So day whatever, I don't know what day it is. Today's the 13th, so I've been on trail for 31 days, 32. Almost got hit by a truck train. Whoa, he's coming quick. That's fun. Just what I want to come down with a full pack, but at least it's behind me now. Thought we were supposed to be going up. So this is more of the weather that I was expecting. Sunny, blue skies, about 80 degrees, and hot. It doesn't make for very good hiking weather, in my opinion. I'd rather it be a little bit cooler. The breeze is nice, but certainly could be a little bit cooler, meaning we just, in this sort of weather, need to continue to hydrate consistently. Even if you're not thirsty, just making sure you're getting a lot of fluid in your body, because it's really easy to overheat, get hot. Means taking more breaks, giving your body a chance to cool down. So I'm looking forward to a water source where I can, put my feet in. I did grab a dinner beer from the outfitter, so for $6 I got a beer, a 6-foot piece of guy line, 4 stickers, a new water bottle, half-liter water bottle. Mine was getting kind of crunchy, and I think that's it. So made out of there pretty well, and now just looking to take it easy. Nice easy day, find some water, hang out next to it, in it, and just enjoy the sun. So I promised to take things slow today. I don't know if you can see my face. But taking my shoes off. Found my stream. I've only been walking for like a quarter of a mile. Oh, I still can't see. Woo! Woo! Oh boy. Got some corn chips. And there's the Corona cooling down right now for me. I'm just gonna enjoy. Corona and corn chips. Well, packed up. There's my little seat. So I was sitting underneath next to this bridge. And there's lots of butterflies flying around. There's flowers coming up. It is an absolutely awesome day. So Squirrel is, I think, hiking out tomorrow. I think Thermarest said he's taking a 0. I was looking forward to kind of hiking on my own and catching up with Wendy, who was from Nova Scotia, and I met coming out of Gatlinburg, who wanted to do the aqua blazing. So that's something where she already quit and will not be coming back up on trail. Wanted to aqua blaze down the Shenandoah. We kind of talked about it, but she was doing like, I don't know, 20 plus mile days, 22 to 25. She said she wanted to be done in June. And I was kind of joking around with her because we did end up meeting up again in Hot Springs because of the inclement weather. I had reached out to her to see where she was a day or two later, and she was already at Johnny's hostel. So she was still, I think she's still 2 days ahead of me. But anyway, she texted me this morning and said that she has got everything she's wanted out of the trail and is booking a flight home and leaving. I think this was yesterday, so maybe today or tomorrow. I just found that really interesting. So people are continuing to drop out. I've had many people who I know kind of say that and give that same excuse, which I don't know. I feel like it's an easy out, and I'm not trying to offend anybody. These are just my feelings and my perspective. It's just easy to say I got what I wanted out of it, rather than, the trail conquered me and I didn't conquer the trail. So it's tough. It's not easy. It's not easy physically. It's not easy mentally. And for whatever reason anybody has to hang it up, that's okay. I hope everybody's honest with themselves and is truly satisfied when they do call it quits, and that includes myself. But I can't see myself quitting anytime soon. We'll see. Everybody has their breaking point. To all you guys out there that are not on trail with me, though, I'm glad that I did have the time to spend with you and made some memories. And those are things that, I definitely will cherish and think about through the rest of my journey and after. I wish you guys the best of luck, whatever you choose to do next. I believe I just came across Indian Gap. It looks like it's like 2.6 to a piped spring. So I need to make it there to at least get water for dinner tonight. So we got another 2-3 miles in. And that's going to be pushing probably 7:30. So I'll be just in time to hit the hay. And a good day. Back up on top of the world again. Should be a nice sunset. Pretty sure. Anyways, still got a ways to go up. Still looking for some water. Congratulations, the bride? Oh, no. No? I thought it was a bridal shower. I don't know. No?
Pizza party on the hill. Got it. You too. Looks like the top for me today. Man, it's beautiful. Beautiful out there. I think that's Erwin down there. I think. Not quite sure. Well, still on the mission to find some water and find a place to camp. And dinner is served. How much of a view today? Clouds look like they're coming in, but it's not calling for much rain. Tomorrow, maybe. I'm gonna finish this up and stretch out.